Bonjour, how are you today? I have here two unboxing boxes. This from Nordstrom. I bought lots of stuff from Nordstrom lately. But I don't know this is which one, and I have Tom Ford gift with purchase. So I don't know this is the gifts or this. Let's open the first one first, because I have my cutter here. I don't know this is which one. Let's figure it out together. Because if you know that Tom Ford recently he released lots of makeup, especially the eyeshadow palettes, and I love his eyeshadows palettes. Rarely that something will disappoint me, and if I don't like it, I don't buy it from the beginning. So I don't know this will be. I didn't expect this will be. This is Soleil Neige collection, which I love his collection. Soleil Neige, the Lumière d'hiver. I can't wait for the l'hiver. L'hiver, it's winter. Oh, it's hard to see. Wow, beautiful packages as always. I'm so happy that this is one. And of course the Tom Ford pouch, and beautiful. I love it. Yeah, 01 Lumière d'hiver. Oh, guys, I'm sorry, but this is beautiful. I know it's way expensive, but look at those shades. Oh, beautiful. Makeup tutorial coming very soon, very soon. Yeah, I'm so happy with that. Okay, and what is this one? I don't know. Maybe the gift with purchase, maybe. Let's see. No, I am. This is my lucky day. This is the other palette. Yes, this is 01 Rose Tease. And this is the Unusual Me. This is, I don't know if you know about it, this is the one all matte shades. Can you believe? Oh, this is nice. It's rose. I love this shade of rose. Not all the rose shades I like. And it's white. Interesting. The pouch. Because this is as well matte. I love it. This is rose tea. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, yeah, it's all matte, but you know what? I like it. I like it. I love it. Yeah, I'll swatch it in TikTok. Please follow me on TikTok. I will swatch it there. Oh, this is beautiful. Definitely, because I have lots of okay, sparkling and shiny and shimmery. For easily I can add something on that. Oh, this beautiful palette. Guys, please, if you didn't subscribe to my YouTube channel, please go subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will have lots of interesting makeup tutorials for you. I have tons of stuff. Particular Chanel, I have the new collection is coming. I ordered it and it's coming very soon. And I have tons of Tom Ford eyeshadow palettes. So definitely I will do lots of videos for you guys. And subscribe to my TikTok too and Instagram, because I put the shorts there too, different kind of videos than the one in YouTube. And I will see you all around my social media. Bye.